Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo looks up and sees a giant shadow covering the ground ahead. The shadow stretches across the trail and over the grass. Timo wonders what could be making such a huge shape. An important word becomes useful. Enormous. Enormous means very, very large. Timo walks forward and tilts his head up toward the sky. He spots a massive hot air balloon floating overhead. Its colorful shape drifts slowly through the clouds. Now the giant shadow makes perfect sense. Timo remembers that enormous describes something extremely big. He learns that noticing size helps him understand the world around him.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.